66.
No, mine was a 63. Just like it though. Yes, sir. We put 350 in it?
It's got a newer motor.
Oh, really? Wow, LSN.
Yes, sir.
Wow, did you buy it like this?
Yes, sir. Traded it for
She's a good old truck. I love mine. I wish I had it back. I lost it at 4,000. I had 400 miles on it. It's still being big. Yeah, that sounds good, man. I hear you doing up the road all the time in it. You gonna paint it or leave it?
Leave it how it is.
Yeah, leave it patina. Definitely.
Yeah, it's always a shame losing a car like that.
Yeah, them goods took it away from me, I know. Because the contractor sued me,
Yeah.
so he sued me up and got the ticket for it. But it cost me double the drive.
Right. Here we are, typical southern Alabama. Fixing to rain. It's sprinkling right now, but there we are. Got the Carven X pipe. Got the two Carven RTs. Them are pretty. They know what they're doing out there, I tell you. So let me open one of these things up for you. Real nice. Real nice. She's a straight through with a baffle design, so I don't like chambered mufflers. These Carvens, man, they sound good. Bad, but the exhaust I'm putting on here I think is going to sound a lot better. Alright, so I like this pickup. I like the way it sounds and whatnot, but I had to order me a new exhaust. Well, it's not really an exhaust system, it's just some exhaust components. But I got a set of X pipes and then two Carven RT mufflers. And I just love the way them Carven mufflers sound, man. I've had them on the last like 7 vehicles I had that were gassers. You just can't beat it. I don't like the way this thing, it's just, I hate that clapping sound, dude. It just, there's something about, that don't do it for me. I'm not with that at all. So, now this truck, it sounds good at idle. I will give it that. But it's just something about, like, here, you'll hear it here. That don't do it for me. Sorry my arm was in the way, but there ain't nothing to see anyways. None of the cluster works, but it's all good. But yeah, I just gotta change up the exhaust because it's not what I like. Thing pulled in there. So he's trimming that off right now. He's got this on one side. I'm telling you, look at this. Someone's probably, that's probably 2 inches of weld right there. I just want to call it a day. All right, so we got this whole thing hacked out of here. He's making quick work of this, so he's about to put the X pipe in here, and once he gets that, he'll reroute the pipes back up and through, get the mufflers put in. So gonna sound good. Just a little upside down, but man, it's gonna look good. Get that side mounted up. About finished with this thing. He's just gonna finish wrapping it up, and then we'll get to hear what this thing sounds like. Way better. Man, that thing sounds good. Love that Carven sound, man. Back in my hands, let's see what we're working with. Oh, she's nice and quiet. Wait till you get on it and open this thing up. Got this new exhaust on this thing. It ain't loud, but oh, hang on, we driving. Damn, that, whatever the hell that is, box truck thing, that thing sound mean. That ain't too bad. It ain't bad now. I've been fixing to catch every daggone red light on the way back to the house. It's a little quieter and idle, but you can get the Carven R series, and they're a lot. Carven R series now, they're a lot more, they're a lot louder. The muffler's about that big, about as big as an iPhone, probably about that big, and they've got a one ring in it with some holes, and that's it. But they sound good. I just didn't want something super loud because if I end up trying to drive this thing cross country or something, you know, I didn't want that. So you can still hear it. You know, it's not a V6 or a straight 6. So I can't complain with it now. I'll tell you that. It ain't quiet, but like it's still got some bark to it. Don't clap. Let y'all hear it out real quick. Sounds a lot better now. So let's get a early morning start here. It ain't that early, I guess it's 7, but got the new Carvens on, new X pipe on. All from Carven. Let's go ahead and see what we're working with here. About the exact same as my Cadillac, other than the fact that the Cadillac had long tubes. So this got shorties, Cadillac had long tubes. It's nice. Show you a little sound clip. I'm gonna drive away. I'll drive by at just normal speeds, and then I'll drive back by under like moderate acceleration. So see what it sounds like. looks like someone's getting some cars dropped off. Go ahead and bang this corner real quick. Ooh, what the heck? A Dodge Viper? Okay.